An accident takes away the life of a child even before he or she gets a chance to live it. Every year, more than 1,33,000 children between the age group of 5 to 14 die on the road. Safe Kids Worldwide is the first ever global effort to focus solely on preventable childhood injury with an extensive network spread over 22 countries.
Safe Kids Foundation India became a member of Safe Kids Worldwide in 2006. We work in close collaborations with Safe Kids Worldwide to prevent injury to children in India.
Mr. Mahendra Mehta founded Safe Kids Foundation India with a vision to educate and create awareness amongst children about traffic and domestic hazards, to help prevent injuries and make India a safer place for children. One such program is Safe Kids Walk This Way, sponsored by FedEx Express.
In 2007, Safe Kids Worldwide and FedEx launched Safe Kids Walk This Way, and over the years extended to Delhi and Ahmedabad and the satellite cities of Mumbai.
Pedestrian safety is a top priority at FedEx. Together with Safe Kids, we've introduced Walk This Way, a child pedestrian program. We're delighted to be working with Safe Kids throughout India in Mumbai, Delhi, and Ahmedabad.
Children learn better when they are actually doing, and hence our Walk This Way program consists of PowerPoint presentations coupled with demonstrations using mock zebra crossing, mock signals and vehicles.
फुटपाथ इसीलिए बनाया है कि हम सुरक्षित रूप से चल सकें.
Our network is committed to the Safe Kids model that focuses on empowering communities by building grassroots coalitions, passing and improving child safety laws and regulations, generating national awareness. The Safe Kids Foundation provides the tools to help prevent these tragedies. With the support of the Brihan Mumbai Mahapalika Shikshak Sabha and the All India Federation of Teachers organization, Safe Kids has been able to reach out to school kids and non-schooling children. Each year, Safe Kids has targeted 2.5 lakh children all over the country.
Involving children themselves in a project has been one of the very important part what I like about the Safe Kids.
Children actually practice the safety rules in the school environment. Schools are also encouraged to have various activities like essays, drawings, slogan writing, model making, etc. to reinforce the messages.
Its effects are catalytic. It can have a lot of empowerment of the students, as well as they could pass on these are some of the concepts to their parents also, and I would feel that the children are the best change agents.
From 2007 to 2013, we have reached out to over 1,500 schools and nearly 1 million children through the education programs. Safe Kids Walk This Way provides for long-term environmental improvement, making school zones and neighborhoods safe for pedestrians, especially kids.
भारतामध्ये सेफ किड्स फाउंडेशनच्या मदतीने बृहन्मुंबई महापालिका शिक्षक सभा आणि ऑल इंडिया फेडरेशन ऑफ टीचर्स ऑर्गनायझेशन मिळून वॉक दिस वे हा प्रकल्प शाळांच्या मध्ये राबवला जात आहे.
This project is extremely useful, particularly to the children coming from lower strata of society, which normally are deprived from their exposure to these rules, these regulations and these sorts of experimentation.
असं कुठलाही करिक्युलम नाही की जिथे मुलांना संपूर्ण रस्त्यावर पादचारी सुरक्षिततेसाठी कोणते नियम पाळायचे असा कुठल्याही अभ्यासक्रमामध्ये अंतर्भाव नाही आहे. त्यामुळे हा प्रकल्प खूप चांगला आहे, खूप आवश्यक आहे.
So I must profusely thank Safe Kid India as well as the FedEx International for making us their partner in pursuing this project in India.
This photojournalism project, Photo Voice, the photographs that you have taken, and you can compare it with the photographs that children have taken in other countries too.
The Photo Voice project helped children express their perspective on road traffic safety, giving them the opportunity to document road environments they encounter as they walk to school with photographs and words to help them learn proper road traffic safety and become safer pedestrians. To take the issue of road safety on a larger scale, the UN has proclaimed a decade of action for road safety from 2011 to 2020. In this decade of action for road safety, Safe Kids India initiated the Model School Zone project.
The aim of this project is to create a safe environment for the children around the school.
One such school was St. Joseph's High School.
This was a small project, but their approach of Safe Kids has been very methodical, systematic and comprehensive.
What was important was we could get a lot of stakeholders around us to work with us. The traffic cops, those from the municipality, getting the municipality school teachers with us and their heads, then some of our parents, and hopefully with all the input sessions and the surveys that we conducted, we will have better roads, safety measures for our children and for all the people who visit the school and the neighborhood.
हमारे परिसर को सुरक्षित रखने में फेडेक्स ने हाथ बटाया।
इस काम में फेडेक्स के साथ शिक्षक, पालक और नागरिकों ने हिस्सा लिया।
This is just the beginning. There is still more to achieve in making the world a safer place for kids.
We at Safe Kids Foundation would like to thank FedEx for initiating this program in India.
शुक्रिया फेडेक्स, आपने मेरा परिसर सुरक्षित बनाया।
We applaud Safe Kids for their decade-long commitment to our partnership and for the outstanding work they are doing. Walk safe.
Walk safe.
Come, walk with us.